Hey guys, today I will talk about how to delete Google account permanently on laptop and PC. So don't forget to click like on this video and subscribe to this channel, and let's start. Okay, let's go to Google and write in search google.com, and after that click on sign in. Okay, we need now to log in to our account, or if you have an account, you need to choose any of your account you have. I will choose my account, and after that I finished my sign in. This page will appear. I click on my logo and choose manage your Google account. Okay, this is the page of Google account. Now I choose data and privacy, and after click on data and privacy, we will scroll down the page and click on delete your Google account, and now sign in again to your account for verify your action. Okay, then click here to download your data. When you delete your Google account, also delete your Gmail, YouTube channel, Google Play Store, and other Google service account. And here he tells us if you have any pending financial transaction, you will still be responsible for those charges. I choose yes on this and yes. And finally click delete account. And here we can see your Google account and all its data have been deleted.